morning, guys. Oh, I have chocolate on my nose. Welcome to today's vlog. So I am getting gas right now, headed to work. It is Saturday. I literally look like a freaking crazy person this morning, but I just really don't care. So today we are going to go to work, obviously, but I think when I get home I'm gonna film a cleaning vlog because I have so much cleaning to do. So I think I'm just gonna do a clean with me. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say good morning and welcome. If you are new, please subscribe if you haven't already. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That is my new goal for the new year. So I'm super excited and have a lot of things planned for you guys. Starting with regular videos, not necessarily a set schedule, but at least like weekly videos of some sort, like one a week, maybe 2 or 3, just depends on how I'm feeling, how I'm doing. I'm a little frustrated right now because my blood sugar is all over the place. I know I mentioned it in the last vlog, but I was up all night trying to get it down. Like, it is like staying in the 250 to 320 range, and that is just not acceptable, and I cannot get it down. So I was up all night battling that. I'm still battling it this morning, so I'm just drinking a like shake this morning for breakfast instead of eating, to just try to keep it down. I need to get it down, but then to keep it down, I'm gonna stick with those today. So yeah, let me finish this gas and then we're gonna head to work, but I'll probably see you guys after work when I'm back home and ready to clean. Good morning, guys. So I'm fixing to brush my hair and just put it back up. I just started the coffee. Hopefully I just started the coffee. We got a new coffee pot because our Keurig stopped working. So Dwight wanted a regular coffee pot anyway, so I used a gift card that we got for Christmas and got one. So I'm making me some coffee because I have so much cleaning to do, so that's what today's vlog is going to be, a cleaning vlog. So yeah, I'm about to just brush my hair, put it back up. It's just like all messy from sleeping, or the lack of sleeping, I guess would be the better term, because I did not sleep at all last night. I laid down and fell asleep at like 11, and then I was up at 2, and I didn't go back to sleep till like 6. So yeah, I am exhausted to say the least, but there's so much cleaning that needs to be done, so I'm just going to get to it. This is what I'm working with.
Use your employee discount for everyone to get over $6,000 below it.
This is what I'm working with. All of this is clean. It just needs to be put away, and I don't know where it's gonna go, and I still have more to wash. So yeah. Basically, that's what I'm doing today. I have been washing these clothes forever and just throwing them to the side. Plus, it's Christmas clothes, and Dwight had to get like all new work clothes. So yeah, there's just a lot of clothes that needs to be put away, and I've been dreading it, but it needs to be done, and it's driving me crazy because I feel like my house isn't clean, but my house is clean. It just doesn't look like it because there's clothes everywhere. So realistically, I feel like we have too many clothes, but then every time I get rid of clothes, I'm looking for them later on. So I'm not doing that this time. I'm just simply going to reorganize and try to make it work. It's also hard right now with winter clothes because I normally keep our winter clothes put up. They're the bulkier clothes that take up more space, and since they're all out right now, then that's kind of why there's like nowhere to put them. But yeah, today we are tackling cleaning this mess up, but first I need coffee and breakfast. I just need to get a drink out of here. By the way, it is like almost noon, so it's not like it's early. It's just breakfast time for me, but I can't wash down my food with like coffee and water. I always have to drink like a Diet Coke or something. Might be crazy, but oh well. And then let's see, I need a spoon. Whew. Alright guys, so I got all of the laundry put away so far. I have sorted the laundry that still needs to be washed, and I'm working on that. I have my bed sheets and comforter and stuff in the dryer. I'm going to hopefully go and be putting that back on in just a minute. I sorted through all of Dwight's socks because he had like a huge drawer of just socks, and there's still one more drawer of socks, but I'm not doing that one today. I just did the one that I know he's been wearing recently. So I did that, and I'm just kind of taking a break now. That took me like a good hour. And so I'm going to edit a video here in just a little bit. Dwight should be home around like 4 or so, I think is what he said. And we're going to work on some stuff as well. But yeah, I didn't show you me actually doing it because it was a lot. And my camera actually died. So I was charging it while I did that. And yeah, I need to let these dogs out and walk one of them because she refuses to go to the bathroom by herself. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing now. So yeah, I need to edit and take care of these doggies. Here comes my Mila man. Here goes Mila man. What's he doing? Hi, Bella. Hi. No, get out of my face. Good girl. Can you sit? Sit. I was going to clean like the whole house today, just kind of get it over with, but I mean, getting the clothes done and the bed done is the main thing. This necklace, like, it's been choking me, is the main thing I needed to do. I need to switch out the shower curtain liners. I started on that, but it's like so tall that it was hurting my shoulders and my head. So Dwight will have to do that when he gets home. I am sorry that I look like such a freaking mess, but yeah. I probably should eat something soon too, because eggs, like, I like eating eggs because there's no carbs in them, so I can eat as many as I want, but they still don't fill me up. So I'm gonna have to find something else to eat. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys posted. Hey guys, so still look like a hot mess. I'm about to take a shower, but I just wanted to continue the vlog into today since I didn't end up doing as much as I thought I was going to yesterday. Gosh, this lighting is terrible. But anyways, it is New Year's Eve, and I'm not 100% sure what we're doing. We may go to my parents for like an hour or two. They are having a party, but we are just going to go for a little bit. I have not been getting very much sleep, so I'm not up for like an all-night kind of thing. But I am going to at least get ready. And that way we can take a few pictures to remember New Year's. It's one of my favorite traditions, is like putting together how much we've changed over the years, and this is like our sixth or seventh New Year's Eve together. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. Basically just gonna go over there for a little bit and eat. We may stay till the ball drops, we may not. I'm not 100% sure, so I will definitely vlog a little bit for you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna carry the vlog over, so this one may be longer. So you guys just let me know if you like longer vlogs, if you like shorter vlogs, if you like chatty vlogs. Like, I have a vlog I'm editing right now, but it's literally just me like talking a little bit and whatnot. So that's why I'm just gonna add it to this one. But if you like that kind of stuff, let me know. If you don't, let me know that as well. Hey guys, so we are ready to go. It is 6:45. It literally 10 o'clock already, but I am starved. So ready to go. We were gonna leave earlier, but we got sucked into watching that Bird Box movie on Netflix. If you guys haven't seen it, it's definitely a weird movie, but we liked it. I think it was interesting to watch for sure. So yeah, Dwight is feeding the coon dogs, and then we are going to head out. We're just going to my parents' New Year's Eve party. We decided to go later this year because it just drags out for so long, and I've just had a rough past couple of days, so we just decided to take our time today and not rush and just kind of relax. And now we will go, but I am starving. I had pizza and pasta earlier, but I'm still hungry, so just waiting on him and we'll be ready to go.
Hey!